Girl Bella. Hey babes, it's me, Shannon for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. So, it's Monday again, and you know on Mondays we McGrath. So I'm going to take a deep dive into the Star Wars edition of Mothership for Decadence. So, luxuriate in the rich splendor of Mother's most precious jewels. 10 decadent hues illuminated with diamond sparkle intensity, the most indulgent spread of sumptuous blues, exquisite golds, chrome cast metallics, and incendiary coppers ignite eyes with vivid color intensity presented in a luxe couture palette. Okay, I want that. Yes, please. Alright, so we're going to dive into the shades starting clockwise from the top left. We have Gold Standard. Next, we have Inferno. Followed by Blue Blood. Then we have Sinful. And the first of two blues in this palette. This one is called Underworld. So that's the top row. Now we're going to wrap around starting from the right this time. This one is called Enigma. The next one is Hedonistic. The next one is my personal favorite, Divine Mink. Let me get that swatch again. There we go, Divine Mink. Next is the next blue shade. This is called Lapis Luxury. And finally, we have Sterling. So these are the colors in Divine. These are the colors in the Mothership for Decadence. They are simply beautiful. I don't know about you, but I love this palette. And the reason why it was so popular is that this is the first time that Mother actually did a palette with no mattes. No mattes whatsoever. These are all shimmers. There are no specialty shades in here. It's just all metallics. And so everyone was like, oh my gosh, it was such a scandal. But it quickly became a cult classic, so much so that she had to re-release it last year, and she did a special packaging for Star Wars and its Rise of the Skywalker movie. So this is the one that I got. And of course it's all in gold, so I love that. And then she also released it again in its original packaging as Decadence. So I did not get it in its original packaging. Tell you the truth, I'm not really that cool about that packaging. That's the one package that she did that I was just like, meh, meh. I know others will kill me for that, but I just didn't get wowed over that packaging. So I was grateful that she did it in this packaging, because I was just like, this is my zhuzh. Star Wars is one of my favorite movies. I love all of the movies under the Star Wars umbrella. I've watched them all. So to me, this is a nod to not only my childhood, but to one of my favorite movies of all time. So I love this. But enough jabbering about Star Wars and packagings and all that stuff. I know what you came here for. You came to see this sleigh. Let's go. So I'm going to actually start with a shade that I don't usually wear, but today I think I'm going to do it. And that is Enigma, which is this color right here. So we're going to grab my Jumbo Blender by Sonia G, and we're going to pack that all over the eye. Next, we're going to go into my favorite shade, Divine Mink, and we're going to lay that on top, focusing on the middle part of the eye with the other side of the Jumbo Blender. And with our finger, we're going to tap into Sinful, and we're going to place that right on top. Create that really nice foil effect to the eye. And then for the lower lash line, we're going to pump up the interest with those blues. We're going to first go into the shade La Peace Luxury. And we're going to throw that in the lower lash line, all across the eye. And then we're going to take that other blue shade, Underwood, and we're going to focus that right in the outer corner. And make it really heavy. Not to be undone, we're going to take a pencil brush and go into Sterling. And we're going to put that right in the inner tear duct. Okay, and we're back. So let's look at this beautiful palette one more time. I have on my lips Deep Void by Dame Mother Pat McGrath. And here is the palette that inspired this eye look. This to me screams holiday fun, and not just for Christmas and New Year's and all of that. I mean, any holiday you want, it's in here. It's got some vivid, beautiful jewel tones in here. You've got your golds, you've got your blues, you got a silver in here. you can use this year round. I really think that this is a sort of palette where you can really have fun and play and be really, really creative. This look is really giving me goth vibes, especially with the lipstick being so deep. But you can totally play it up and have fun and use a lighter color lipstick and create a whole other look. So this to me is the most creative of all of her palettes in my book. But we're still going through our dive into Pat McGrath, and now we're at the 4th installment. So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and until next time, you have now been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon.